Keeping your Astrion Smart Remote up to date is key to enjoying the latest features, improvements, and security. In this short video, we'll show you just how easy it is to update both your Astrion Remote and your RosCard. For better recording of this video, I will first use the Astrion Remote to turn off the indoor lights. Let's start with the Astrion Remote itself. First, unlock your remote. From the home screen, pull down from the top to access the quick settings panel. Now, tap the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. In the settings menu, scroll all the way to the bottom and find the option called About. Go ahead and tap it. Here on the About page, you can see your device ID and current versions. Look for software version. If your software is already the latest, you'll simply see the version number here. If an update is available, you will see a small red dot right next to the version number. That's your cue. Just tap on the software version row. Then, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Your remote will download and install the update. It might restart during the process. That's completely normal. Updating your RosCard, the brain of your Astrion system, is just as straightforward, and you do it from Home Assistant. If a new RosCard version is available, you'll see a clear notification or update button. Select it. Just like before, follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the update. And that's it. By following these two simple steps, you ensure your entire Astrion ecosystem runs smoothly and securely with all the newest capabilities. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.